Hello. Okay, so if you are watching this video, it means that you have already watched the video YouTube on indirect objects. If you have not yet done that, go ahead and jump off of here, log in and watch the other video first. And once you have done that, go ahead and grab out your purple strategies for writer's book and turn to page 15. All right, so turn to page 15 and let's take a look at the gray box. An indirect object is a noun or pronoun that comes before a direct object. The indirect object tells to whom something has been given, told, or taught. Indirect objects appear only in sentences with direct objects. To test whether a noun or pronoun is an indirect object, try moving it after the direct object and putting the word to or for in front of it. Bodies of water give many gifts to Earth's creatures. Okay. So go ahead and take a writing utensil, pen, crayon, marker, whatever. If you have a highlighter, that would work too. And you're going to circle or underline the full sentence. The indirect object tells to whom something has been given, told, or taught. So go ahead and underline the indirect object tells to whom something has been given, told, or taught. So let's look at the first one together. So go on up to the top of the page. And you're going to circle the boldface word that tells to whom gifts are given. So bodies of water give Earth's creatures many gifts. So let's look at the simple subject. The simple subject is bodies. So bodies is a simple subject, and the simple predicate is give. So bodies give. Whom or what do bodies give? Bodies give gifts. So gifts is your direct object. So if you look at the indirect object, that would be creatures. So go ahead and do all of part one. You're going to go ahead and look at that together. So the direct object in each sentence is in boldface type. Circle each indirect object. So number one, potholes offer migrating ducks resting places. So the simple subject is potholes. The simple predicate is offer. Whom or what do potholes offer? Potholes offer places. And so that would make the indirect object ducks. Okay, so go ahead and do numbers 1 through 14. There is only one indirect object for each of those. So you're going to do number 1 through 14 on those. And then we'll flip over to part 2. You are going to rewrite each sentence so the boldface word becomes an indirect object. So Rachel drew a map of the river for her brother. So in italics, you're going to see how you would rewrite it. You might say, Rachel drew her brother a map of the river. Okay? So let's look at number 15. Eddie sold his kayak to Rachel. Okay, so we're going to move Rachel to become the indirect object. So Eddie sold Rachel his kayak. So to make it the indirect object, you take it out of the prepositional phrase and you put it before the direct object. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me and I'm happy to answer those. So go ahead and answer part 2 and I will see you guys. Thank you. Goodbye.